How to correct cutting issues. Before beginning, verify that you have the required supplies, a package of removable tips, they come two to a pack, and of course some spare blades. First, we'll check the tip sensor. Move the gantry slightly to the left, locate the tip sensor itself. Look for anything that might be obstructing the sensor, paper dust, paper debris, paper chad. Make sure that it's clear. If it's not, a paper clip works really well. Unfold the paper clip, use the end of the paper clip to flick out anything that might be in there. Of course, a can of compressed air works well as for clearing that out. Once you've checked and made sure that the tip sensor is clear, open the top cover of the gantry. You'll see a sticker on the top that has instructions on removing the blade. Locate the pin on the top of the cutter motor. Rotate the cutter assembly. Press the pin to extract the blade. Don't take it out, just extract it and pull it out just enough to roll it on your finger, and make sure that that blade rolls really smooth. If it does not feel that it rolls smoothly, it feels gritty, grab the pack of replaceable tips, remove the tool, grab one of the new tips. Using the tool, place it on the cutter tip, rotate it counterclockwise, and remove the old cutter tip. Once it's removed, take the spring off, keep the spring, don't lose it. Put the spring back on the new cutter tip, holding the back of the cutter motor. Tighten the cutter tip back into the assembly. Rotate it till it stops, and using the tool, give it a little extra turn. Make sure it's nice and tight. You don't want that cutter tip to back out during cutting. It could give you cut errors or tip sensor errors. Put the blade back into the cutter tip. To get the blade back in, turn the power off and then back on. Rotate the cutter assembly back in the down position. Close the top cover. Run another test cut, and if problems still persist, then change the blade.